Well, today is February 26th. Kind of giving you an update on Logan's condition. He's been home for roughly, I think, since the 14th. Every day is getting better. He doesn't have, I asked him today, he doesn't have any pain in his leg. That's where he's got the cancer in his leg, his left leg. Swelling has went down in his leg significantly, which is good. The chemo's working. But today we had to shave his hair off today because he's just losing his hair because of the chemo. So now my son looks like me. Shaved head. But his is going to grow back and mine's not. So, yeah, it was about 2 days ago. It's been, I think, like, he had his chemotherapy on, like, the 10th. Started chemo on the 10th, and today's the 26th, so, yeah, it's been 12 days, and his hair is starting to fall out everywhere. So, but that was to be expected. We just didn't know how soon it was going to happen. Because last night he's like, just shave it off. I'm like, well, wait till tomorrow morning. Then he woke up this morning. He's like, it's got to go, Dad. He told me his hair's got to go. But other than that, it seems like he's progressing well. He's feeling good. Starting to get back to kind of normal, but it's never going to be normal. So that's what's going on February 26th. And of course I've been back to work, but we had some delays in medication because we had, I don't know, through my insurance company, they use the medication he uses, it's a specialty medication. It's for cancer, and it's not, you can't get it at Rite Aid. Let's put it that way. So I guess the insurance company uses an out-of-state specialty pharmacy, and it's got to be shipped to the house and so on, blah blah blah. But we had that ice storm that delayed everything. So like last week I was back to work. But I had to take a few more days off because I had to run down to the hospital to get his medication and shots. And maybe I'll probably, next week next Friday he's going back into the hospital for 4 days for another chemo treatment, and then he's off for 3 days, and then he goes back in for another 4 days. So, but this time in the hospital it's going to be better than last time, let's put it that way. This last time it was like on an hour, every hour you got a nurse in there, someone's in there. This time it's not going to be like that. It's not going to be relaxing, but it's going to be more relaxing than it was before. So that's it for this update, and I will keep you updated.